Hi guys, do you want to take better photos and videos on your iPhone? You can boost your camera quality using a few simple tricks. Let's do it in under 2 minutes. First, go to settings and then camera and then make sure these settings are on. Turn grid on for better photo composition. Record the video at 1080p at 60 fps for smoother videos. Turn on auto HDR for better detail in the bright and dark areas. Sounds simple, but a dirty lens ruins your photos. Wipe it with a microfiber cloth or even with a t-shirt. Lighting is everything. Always face a light source for better photos. And for sharper shots, tap on the subject to focus. For the best results in the latest iPhones, use portrait mode if available for blurred backgrounds. Use burst mode for action shots and use exposure slider. Tap on the slide or up and down to adjust brightness. And that's it. Better quality photos and videos in just a few steps. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.